In today's video, I want to show you guys how you can easily install a IPTV app here or IPTV on your Samsung TV. Okay, for the first of what you can do is that we go here on the home menu. So click on the home button, then go all the way to the left and up here into the search bar. So click on the search bar, and here in the search bar, we can also look for apps. So if you don't have like an IPTV recommended in your apps, then go all the way up here, and here we simply type in IPTV, and then we will find the best IPTV apps on the market right now. So I will show you this. So click on IPTV here. So like this. So and then here we go on search. So what we can do, or what we have here, is that we have here like IPTV player, or here also like IPTV Smartest Pro, or here also IPTV Smartest Pro player, or what is also really good is like TV Mate. So you can also choose like TV Mate, or you go here on Smart IPTV. So and when you have found the right app, then click on this, and then we can easily go on install. And yeah, this is all we have to do to install here IPTV on our Samsung TV. If I could help you with the video, then please leave a like and subscribe, and see you next time.